Okay, here we go. A little review here for collecting like terms. This is U2A2, which is actually the third video for this, but let's look real quickly. Like terms, remember that like terms have to be exactly alike. So for example, here, that's 5a and negative 2a. It's not the number, it's the variable, and the variable has to be the same exponent. So in this case, they are like terms. This guy here, okay, I have b to the 4 and b cubed. They're not the same thing. So these are not like terms. And then if you have multiple variables, like here, I have p cubed and p cubed q. Not the same thing. That has the 3 on the q. That has a q there. 3 is there. So they're not like terms. Okay, collecting like terms, what you do is you add the numbers together. So for example, here, you can't do anything here, but let's look at this one here. This would just be 11a. I have 8a, 3a, put them together, 11a. Let's make it a little more complicated. Minus v minus 4v, so that's minus 1v. So I'm at minus 5v plus 2 will get me to minus 3v. Okay, so that's that. Simplify each expression. You do the same thing. That just means collect like terms over here. It's 7 minus 2 minus 1, right? So that's minus 1. So think of it in temperature, that's what I always do. 7 goes down 2 degrees, go down 1 degree, and you get the right answer. If you have something like this, all you do, you can rewrite these. Okay, or don't, it's up to you. But if you want to put the terms that are like beside each other, there's 4b, and that minus 2 goes here. Okay, so the negative goes with the term, okay, and then plus 3 plus 1, and then you're going to collect those terms and get 2b. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4, and then you're done. Don't keep, sorry, I should have crossed it out, but don't go any further. That was right. Okay, here, collect these terms. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. Okay, so that's that. More of the same on this page. And examples that we don't have here are things like this. If I had x plus 3 plus x minus 5, what you're going to do is just open up this bracket here and you go x plus 3 plus x minus 5. Okay, so this here is just going to be the exact same thing, and then you add these two together and you get 2x minus 2. Okay, so you collect the x's and then you collect this. Now just be careful. The only difference is when you have a negative in front here, you're going to then change the sign. So if this was the question, let's just change the question up here. What you're going to do is that's x plus 3, and this is really minus. So let's redo this. That's really minus 1. So that is minus 1 x minus 5. And you use the distributive property here. And that means you multiply this by negative 1 and this by negative 1. So you end up with, so back up here, that's x plus 3 goes here. And then this becomes negative x. Okay, so negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 5 is plus 5. So I have x minus x plus 3 plus 5, x minus x. And in this case, that would get you 0x. So if I keep going with this, plus 8. And then we just get rid of that, and it's just 8. Okay, so give me 1 second. Perfect. So now I got this next page here. So if I go here, what you want to do is here, simply when there's positive in front of the bracket, you can just open this up. And this is really 1. This is plus 1 times 6 minus v. So really what you're doing is 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times negative v is negative v. Okay, and then you collect like terms here. The difference, again, is when there's a negative in front. So it's z plus 7. And when you open that up, that's negative 4 plus z. Essentially, you change the signs. You're multiplying everything by negative 1. It changes the signs, then collect like terms. So 2z plus 3. Okay, and then equals. And that's about it. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Try the rest of these. But make sure when you open this up, you change the signs on both. Okay, so often what happens is somebody says minus m minus 2, and they go minus m, minus m, and then minus 2. So the negative, you multiply this by negative 1, and you multiply this by negative 1, so this would become plus 2. Okay, that's it. Take care. Bye.